Today I want to show you the easiest eye look there is. It only uses 2 products and your fingers. And one of the products, in my opinion, is the most underrated product of all times, and it's a Shiseido eyeshadow stick. They have many colors. I think they come in maybe 8 or 10 colors, all of them buildable, blendable. You can create a graphic eye with it. You can also use it as an eyeshadow or just as an eyeliner. It's a perfect, versatile product that sticks in place all day, and now I'm gonna show you how I use it. For my eye look, I chose the color Tea House. It's a sort of reddish brown that really suits a lot of eye colors. I'm gonna line it. It glides on like a dream. I'm gonna just line it around my upper lash line, lower lash line, and don't get scared, but I'm gonna put it in the crease like this. Okay, so this is gonna be my shape, and now I'm gonna take my finger and just blend it. Two seconds and you already have this beautiful shape of a sculpted eye. Let's do it on the other side. Maybe for you this would be enough for every day or even for evening, but if you want to amp it up a little bit, I would use a second product, which would be a glitter eyeshadow. And again, I'm only using my finger. So most of my color is on the outer corner of the eye, and now I'm taking this sparkle one and pack it on into the middle and inner corner of the eye. And this is it. This is my evening look, easiest, fastest, no need to use any tools, very impactful, and just beautiful.